we've got a couple different things. Let's say we get data that's sent to us in a jumble like this and we want it all in lowercase. We're going to use this function right here, lower, equals lower, and you're going to pick what you want, close the parentheses, hit enter. It's all lowercase. Great. You can copy it, paste it in those, and you'll see that it always references the one from the original. Then if you want it all in uppercase, maybe you need to enter it that way, equals upper. Same thing, fairly straightforward. Click what you want, close the parentheses, and hit enter. And there you go. Now you can hit Control-C, Control-V to copy and paste, or if you're directly below it, Control-D, and it'll paste it down. And this one, proper. Let's say we want, it's like a title of a TV show or something. We want the first letter capitalized in each of these words. Equals, proper. Then again, you reference your text, you can click it or use the arrow keys like I just did. Close it up, hit enter, and there you go. And then Control-D, 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 and there we are. Now we've got the last one. Let's say we only want the first letter capitalized. None of these super straightforward ones are going to do it for us. Well, it's a good thing we had it on the title card. We'll go here, look at this. We're going to use a couple different functions and nest them. And again, you don't have to know how all these work. If you want to do this, just copy the thing straight out of here, slam it in yours, and you're good to go. So we'll do this, equals upper, and then we want to left, find the most left letter, and we're going to reference what the cell is right there, and we will, comma, one character, close that, close it again because we use two functions, upper and left. Then we'll use the ampersand to concatenate, so we'll combine that with this next function string. Lower, right, we reference the text again, so we're going to put lowercase. So here we just put uppercase, the leftmost one. So that S, leftmost one, just like the O over here, it's going to be capitalized. Then we combined that with this lower. We're going to tell it everything to the right of that first character, make it lowercase. Right, length, or len, and you reference the cell again, and, whoops, actually we're going to close that, -1, and close it up, voila, there you go. And guess what? You don't have to type it in every time. Copy it, Control-C, paste it, and there you go. Hopefully that was helpful for you. If it has been, feel free to share this and hit that subscribe button. I'm going to do a bunch more like this that are fairly quick. Have a good one.